Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna show you about actor blueprint. What is actor blueprint and how we can work with this in Unreal Engine 5. So if we go to the website Unreal Architecture Actor, so here they explain about actor blueprint in detail. It's a gameplay element, actors and object. And actor is an object that can place such as camera, static mesh, player location, and it can spawn also. We can create the actor by right clicking and actor blueprint. So here the actor have a few components like u actor component, u scene component, u private component, and other extra thing. There are other option like hierarchy, root, static mesh component, particle, audio, box component. Here you can see inside the actor blueprint we can use event if function. It's run in every frame. There is a life cycle replication which is multiplayer, and destroy an actor. If we want to destroy actor, we can destroy the actor. So let's come with our project. Here is our project. So here we can go to my name Saiful and blueprint, and we can create a blueprint. Right button, blueprint class, and actor. And actor is an object that can be placed or spawn in the world. So create an actor and give a name. I just give test actor. You can give any name you want. So we just created a actor. So from the place actor we can place any actor like this, and we can add a function and a 3D mesh or something like that in here. Also we can create a 3D static mesh to a actor. There is option, there is a open document, and there is a convert actor. So here we can create a actor subclass. uh, so I just press and create a actor tube 2 blueprint, and if you open it we can add many things. We can add it and work it like actor. So here we can add also other function like audio, night grass, scene, point light, spare, plane. There is also search option. We can search the function and add it. Basically it's work like element. So I add a spare and I move the spare into here. Now we can if we select the blueprint it will move everything, but if we select the spare we can only move the spare. Also we can add separate color to it, and there is a lot of other function also. So there is a spare, there is other function. So just delete it and open the test actor. Here is inside our test actor, and here we also can add many things like in there. I just show you different option. If you want to prefer that you can prefer that. Add compile and save. Add a spare, give a separate color, green color. Now we go to the label blueprint, and I add a F key. By using F we don't find the F, so search F key, then maybe yes, keyboard shortcut. And from press we can add a spawn actor from class. And here we can add a class test actor which we created. And if we press it where it is spawn we must add the transform or the location. Here is the location. We can copy the location and split the pin, but we cannot paste the location manually. We need to add it. We need to add it manually. So 200 and 2500, and we must add it in the transform location, not in scale. Otherwise, it will make it bigger and smaller. So it is 2500, and here we add 4000. And on the z axis we can add 50, because we want to spawn in the little above. So we can play the game Alt P, and if we press F, there is the object which we created, the test actor. We can add 100, compile and save. So it will create a little above, but it's like that. So we can make a fun like that. We can go to the test actor, and from sphere we can uh, just turn on the simulate physics, so it will drop like work in gravity, and F, and there is a ball test actor, and F, we are pressing F, and it just spawning. So this is the actor. This is how we can use the actor. We can just spawn the actor like this, work like this. So we can do other stuff. We can create another actor, and I can name it light test. We can use our blueprint, actor blueprint, to create something like that. So I just add a point light, select the point light, change the color, also increase the intensity. It's 5000, but I made it 15,000. Compile and save. And if I drag and drop the light here, it will work accordingly. But we can turn off the lighting also. Just untick the visibility and the light is on. So here is the light test event graph, and we need to add few code in here. But first of all, add a box collision and increase the box extent like 64, 64, 64. It's fine, I believe. Compile and save. That box collision didn't take much space, so we add our own value 150, 250, and 250. I think it's good. Compile and save. So just rotate it. So when we are inside the box collision, the light will turn on, I'm sorry. And on component event begin overlap, and cast our fun character. That's the character we are running now. And point light, set visibility, and new visibility, ticket. So when we are inside the box, the light will be turned on. So here is our still character, and we are going to the box collision, and now the light is on. But when we are outside of the box, there is still light on, but we can turn it off also. From the box collision, on component end overlap, copy all of this, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, add it with the executive pin and the other actor. Compile and save. We can create another blueprint. I just duplicate it now, but we can right button and create a from scratch. So here I add a, we have the box solution. Here we can add a sphere. That's the sphere, and we just add a red color, reddish. And I just delete the point light because we don't need it. We can add a particle system. The particle system auto activity should be turned off. Compile and save, but there is a error. Don't worry about it. Now we can add a particle. In our starter content we have particles. I just add a p explosion. I think it's fine. So I add the particle, delete it, compile and save. Now it's fine. Drag and drop the particle and auto active or set active. The neo active should be turned on. Compile and save. And we can increase the scale of the particle system so the explosion look like bigger. We can do that. So we can go to the test light, or we can just drag and drop the blast. And if we play, we go inside the bots, there is the blast. And if we go inside of the light, there is turn on and there is a turn off because we disable the turn off. So this is for today's tutorial. Bye everybody, see you in next tutorial.